Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Skrill to Xness. First, open the Skrill app or website and log in with your credentials. Make sure you have enough funds to complete the transfer. Go to the Send or Transfer option, enter your Xness account details, account number, or email linked to your Xness account. Specify the amount you want to transfer and review any transfer limits. Double-check all details. Complete any security verification like a code sent to your email or phone, and confirm the transfer. Finally, log in to your Xness account to ensure the funds have been credited. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Skrill to Xness. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.